visa. So for your clients who are stopping over in Dubai, as you know, Dubai is a hub for the stopover. We have 48 hours and 96 hours. We can cater that provided their flight is Emirates. Yes. But sooner we'll have also for those other airlines. We can also cater. It's just that the price will be a little bit higher compared to Emirates airline flight, but still that can be catered. So I think from the word itself, 48 hours and 96 hours visa, you know what does it mean already, that you can stay up to 48 hours and up to 96 hours for the transit in Dubai.
How much on 48?
Yes. I have that in my last presentation. So we do have the 38-day single entry, which is mostly being availed by our clients sa package. Yan usually yung sinasama natin. We have 60-day single entry. Ang 60-day single entry, ito yung mostly for those who are looking for job. Kasi 60 days, para may enough sila to look for job, enough time to look for job. We also have the 30 days multiple entry. So yung mga clients nyo na pupunta ng ibang bansa and then they will stop over to Dubai and then again go back to Dubai, 30 days, within 30 days, that's possible for 30 days multiple entry visa. And for those who need 60 days multiple entry, kung pabalik-balik na yung clients mo to Dubai, in and out from different countries, then 60 days multiple entry is good for them. The price, of course, I will discuss later. It varies depending on the visa type. And 30 days, 60 days single entry, it can be extended for another 1 month while you are inside the country.
Is it guaranteed or something?
It's guaranteed. Yes, it's guaranteed. Yes. You can extend up to, I think, 2 or 3. Sometimes it can be 3. You can still extend your visa. If, for example, you are already in Dubai for 30 days and you want to stay more for another 30 days, then we do the extension for another 30 days. Any questions about the type of the visa except for the prices? Because prices I will discuss later. Any questions, Bob? Okay. So, yes, we do have the transportation services from the standard cars. Of course, we have the luxury vehicles for the VIP and